Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to buy iShares dividend ETF. If you're looking to build a steady stream of passive income through investments, this is a great option to consider. First off, what's an iShares dividend ETF? It's a type of exchange-traded fund managed by BlackRock that focuses on stocks from companies that pay regular dividends. Think of it as a basket of dividend-paying stocks that can help you earn money without selling your shares. Why should you care? Dividend ETFs like iShares offer diversification, which means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. They provide potential for regular income and can be less volatile than individual stocks. Plus, they're easy to buy and sell on the stock market, making them perfect for beginners or busy investors. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. You'll need an account with a reputable broker like Vanguard, Fidelity, or E-Trade. If you don't have one, sign up online. It's usually quick and free. Step 2. Fund your account. Link your bank account and deposit some money. Start small if you're new to this. Step 3. Research the specific iShares dividend ETF. The most popular one is probably the iShares Select Dividend ETF, with the ticker DVY. Check its performance, fees, and holdings on the BlackRock website or your broker's platform. Step 4. Place your order. Log into your brokerage app, search for the ETF by its ticker, and decide how many shares to buy. You can use a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set your price. Remember, investing always involves risks, like market fluctuations, so do your homework and consider consulting a financial advisor. Once you're in, keep an eye on your investments and reinvest those dividends for compound growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's chat.